2017 Grand Design Imagine 2950RL for sale in Lincoln Park, Michigan 48146. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2017 Grand Design Imagine 2950RL. This luxury travel trailer is 33.67 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 6 guests. It has been outfitted with 2 slides outs, 2 awnings and stabilizing jacks. This impressive travel trailer has been very well maintained, which has enabled its great condition. This 2017 Grand Design Imagine 2950RL travel trailer RV is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious travel trailer your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include solid countertops, 3-burner stove / OvenMicrowaveRefrigerator / FreezerLarge kitchen sink with pull-down faucet built into kitchen, IslandDinette with chair, SeatingElectric, FireplaceLarge flat screen television, surround sound inside and out, DVD / CD / StereoCouch with trifold pull-out BedTheater, SeatingFull bathroom, ShowerLinen, ClosetA sea and heat ducts in BathroomMaster, 60x80 Queen Size BedStorage Closet / DresserLots of StorageSensor lights, EverywhereBlue LED lighting, OutsideSpecial front lights and so much more. This 2017 Grand Design Imagine 2950RL is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This travel trailer is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible Grand Design travel trailer can be yours.